Hello guys, I'm Vimets and today I will be making a travel altar. So I will be going on a vacation kind of trip soon, so I want to have this so I could still practice my faith of paganism without, you know, not having anything available to practice it. So I'm using this little book and it's very inconspicuous and lets me practice my faith in peace. So yeah, so I have this little tin that I'll be using to hold like my tea candle and some oils and stuff. So I'm putting in a little stone of amber because it's my favorite and I love it. And yeah, isn't it pretty? I found it by a river and I'm very happy. I'm not sure if it's like actually real though. I just found it by a river. So I made this out of polymer clay. It's a little pentacle. Yeah, that's the word. And it's just like a little woodland kind of thing, even though it's not real branches and leaves and stuff. I still think it's cute. So yeah, um, it's pretty nice. Okay, so next is this little vial of amber paste. It smells so good, and I like to put it on offerings and like burn stuff with amber paste on it. And this is a little Celtic cross. I don't follow Catholicism or Christianity, but I just really like this cross. It's pretty, and it means like the ongoing circle of life and such, I believe. Correct me if I'm wrong. Then this is another Celtic cross, this time with a little bit of like the Trinity things. I think they're Triskelions. I'm so bad with fancy words. I just know they're like the Trinity signs, and they're pretty. Okay. So I think that's it. Oh wait, no, we have one more thing. We have a little altar tile of a little pentacle, and I found that behind the bleacher, so it's not anything fancy, but I just like it. Okay, so moving on to the rest of the box, I have my lighter and I have my Swiss Army knife. The lighter is for the candle or lighting incense, and the Swiss Army knife is for cutting herbs and flowers and carving things, you know. Then I have a little medallion that I was given as a gift from my mother, and I'm not sure what it has inscribed in the back, but it's nothing bad. I use that mostly for like altar tables and offerings and stuff. So then I have my two quartz stones. One of them is a form of rose quartz, and the other is just I just found it in a river. You know, I'm in a lot of rivers. Okay, moving on. I'm just checking the box really quick in this footage because I wanted to look for something, couldn't find it, and then I found it later in the video. But you know, it's kind of irrelevant to everything. So here I have a little flower. I like to keep at least one living thing in my box or my altar because it shows life, and over time life becomes death, and it's just a pretty little flower. It's a little wildflower. I found it in my backyard. Yeah, I threw a seashell, but this represents the water, and I love the ocean, and I love seashells. They're beautiful. Okay, continuing on. As we could see here, I have some feathers. That is a starling feather. And I have two blue jay feathers. These were collected legally. I got these from a craft supply store. You're not allowed to pick feathers off the ground in the United States. It is illegal against the Migratory Bird Act. So, yeah, don't do that. And then here I have a little stone. It's beautiful. I love it. It was given to me by my brother, so I don't really know its origin, but I know that it is very nice. And it's like translucent, and you can see cool little rings. And then here I have another polymer clay kind of moon symbol made myself, some lavender, that's also fresh. I'm drying it right now and it smells so good. And then I have a little coin because I like to have those in offerings because coins, currency, gold, shiny, yeah. And that's really it. So I hope you enjoy, and I hope this is useful to help you make your own kind of altar. So yeah. Signing off, this is the Mitts, and bye. You can hear my dog. Oh my god. Woof.